38 divided by 5. Here 5 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 5. 5 times 0, 0, 5 times 1, 5, 5 times 2, 10, 5 times 3, 15. To find out the multiplication table of 5, just add 5 with the previous step. 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. Okay. 5 goes into 3 how many times? 0 times. As 3 is less than 5, 0 times 5, 0. Subtract 3. Bring down this next digit, 8, 38. 5 goes into 38 how many times? Look, 8 times 40, which is getter, so 7 times. Write 7. 7 times 5, which is 35. If you subtract, then you are getting 3. So our answer is 07 means 7, 7 remainder 3. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal and add any number of zeros, and you are allowed to do that. Bring down the first 0. Before this 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 5 goes into 30 how many times? 5 goes into 30 6 times. Write 6. 6. 6 times 5. 6 times 5, which is 30. If you subtract, you are getting 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 7.6.